Ayan guys, so welcome back ulit sa ating channel. At ngayon is panibagong video na naman po guys. Kasi finally, after the very long layovers that we had in Taiwan and in China, finally right now is we will be flying all the way to my 17th country in the Almaty, Kazakhstan. Yes, so magka-Kazakhstan po tayo finally after how many months of planning and cancellations and everything because of the war in Dubai, in UAE, ay in Iran pala, at saka in Israel. Is finally, we will be flying now to Kazakhstan. So for this video is, ipapakita ko sa inyo what will Kazakhstan will offer to us, no? And I will be sharing also sa inyo guys yung mga magiging activity natin sa trip na ito. Yeah. So we are still here in Beijing Capital Airport. We are waiting for our flight bomb to Almaty. We'll still be flying with Air China. This will be a 5 hours flight going to Almaty, Kazakhstan. No, so I'm so much excited kasi first time nating bibisita sa Central Asia. That is our flight. We will be flying with CA799. 5:30, may sure delayed siya guys kasi 5:30 na almost. And that will be our ride. I think we'll be flying with a Boeing tonight. Meron 3 hours time difference sa Almaty at saka sa Beijing at saka sa Philippines. Grabe pa ka yellow nilang one bridge. Grabe ka Minion land lang. Yeah, so we just landed in Almaty, Kazakhstan. It's officially our 17th country, Almaty guys. The flight is 6 hours long. Grabe yung tulog ko sa plane. Guys, ang bilis lang sa passport area control. So Philippine passport holders are visa free in coming here in Kazakhstan. Guys, walang hinanap sa immigration. Tinanong lang kung saan galing yung flight. Tsaka hinanap yung aking boarding pass. Then, tatak. Yun lang siya, guys. Dito yung carousel ng Air China. We got our luggage. Tagal dumating ng luggage ko, guys. Para nasa last pa yan. So, right now is we'll head first to the ATM machine. Kasi mag-withdraw muna tayo ng cash. Saka tayo mag-head going to our hotel. Guys, dito sa may exit, may ano dito, ATM machine. Dami nakalapag na ATM machine. So mag-withdraw muna tayo ng cash. Dito kami sa ATM na halik na withdraw ng cash. Yung withdraw ko is 50,000 tenge. Yung nag-charge sa akin sa GCash card is 6,375. Yan yun. Kaltas. Walang ano guys, walang transaction fee pag gamit mo yung GCash card. So nandito na kami ngayon sa aming hotel. This is a Zolokoy Hotel. Malapit lang pala siya sa guys, sa National Highway ng Kazakhstan, Almaty. Guys, we're done checking in. Ang bilis na ng check-in. So yung ating mode of payment dito guys is cash sana, but I was able to pay it on my credit card. Ayan, ito kami sa Zolotoy Jakon na hotel. Tapos meron pala silang small convenience here, which is very convenient kasi hindi pa kami nakakakain simula kanina. So we'll grab some meals here, snacks. Ito kwento ko mamaya guys kung ano nangyari sa airport. Bakit kami medyo natagalan doon kasi we are trying to fixing the Yandex app. And rise and shine. It's officially our day 1 here in Kazakhstan. Today is we'll be having our big Almaty tour lake. Our first activity agad. Wala nang pahinga. Ilang oras ang tulog, madam?
Kailan ka ba nagpahinga?
Oh, yes. Rest is optional. Kagabi, hindi ko napakita sa inyo yung aming room. So this time ay papakita ko sa inyo. So this is the room that we got in Almaty, Kazakhstan. Meron siyang isang double bed at saka isang single bed. Good for 3 ito. Spacious naman yung area. Ayan. May TV, may aircon hindi gumagana. And the CR is, ayan. Nag-book na kami ng Yandex, guys. Oh, lamig! Malamig pa rin ngayon ha, as early as late April na. Nasa 3rd week of April na tayo. Malamig pa rin siya, pero tolerable lang naman. Kagabi pala guys, hindi ko na story sa inyo. Medyo natagalan kami doon sa pagkuha ng SIM card para magana yung ating Yandex app. Kasi tinatry ko yung InDrive na app. Hindi ko maintindihan yung language nila. Naka-ano yata siya, naka-local language. Kahit na piness ko na yung English, yung address naman ng ating destination, hindi ko naman siya maintindihan. So that is why we opted really for a Yandex. Yon, kagabi nga is gumana siya with the use of a Kazakh SIM. And na-link ko na din yung aking credit card doon sa Yandex app. So lahat ng mga payment will be charged na sa ating card. Hindi na tayo paglabas-labas pa ng mga cash. This video guys, sa ating trip ngayon for the first day here in Almaty is we will be going immediately to Big Almaty Lake. Kasi we only have 2 full days here in Kazakhstan. But then for the next 2 days is, after next 2 days is pupunta naman tayo ng Kyrgyzstan. So dalawang countries yung pupuntahan natin for this trip. Yan, yung pick up point natin is sa may Aba Fountain Museum. Okay. Andito na kami ngayon sa meet up point guys. Yung meet up point is parang museum, Abay Museum. Yan. So dito na kami sa harap ng fountain magmi-meet up. 6:50 pa yung pick up time. But of course, we need to arrive ahead of time para hindi tayo malate. Ito yung parang Abay Museum. Kung saan yung meet up point. Fountain dito pero kaso lang walang tubig. And nasa harap siya ng Almaty Hotel. Ayun. Medyo a bit pricey yung nag-book namin na Almaty Big Lake Almaty Tour guys. Kasi last minute na kami nag-book. So, nasa 4,200 ito. Na-book ko ito sa Viator, no? Which is a which is also a company of TripAdvisor, no? Yeah. So, yung binook ko na tour is yung walang hiking na part kasi hindi tayo pwedeng mag-hike. So, diretso na siya sa Big Almaty Lake na naka-car. Of course, si Madam Moselle, pack. Our ride is here na guys. It's a small van. So, currently is 7 kami ngayon na nag-aantay dito sa Abay Theater. Diyan tayo pupunta. So, nag-change car kami guys. Going all up the way to the Big Almaty. What a view. Look at that. Oh. Grabe yung scenery guys. Ayan. Galing doon sa binabaan natin. Makyat tayo up to here para mag-change ng new car. Para sa isang car is 2 2 to 3 persons. Alternatively, pwede ka mag-hike galing doon. Pwede ka ma-imagine guys ang layo. Ayan guys. Transfer na tayo in another van. Maliit siya na 4x4 ride. So, if hindi mo ito i-avail, you have the option to hike all the way to the Big Almaty Lake. Pero I cannot do that. Kaya, medyo pricey siya guys. Nabuko siya sa Viator. Pero okay na. Kasi parang last na din yung effort natin. Papuntang Big Almaty. Guys, we have reached the photo spot of the Big Almaty Lake. So currently right now, it's still ice. Nag-ice pa siya. So hindi pa natin siya ma-appreciate yung bluish na color water during during summer and autumn. But look at that, nagsi-snow cap. May snow cap pa talaga siya guys. Oh my gosh. It's giving USA, Washington here guys. And oh my god. Guys, look at that amazing view. Today is April 20. So, mayroon pa rin snow cap yung mga mountains. Tapos, unfortunately, white lang yung makikita natin. But during summer at saka autumn, magiging bluish yan siya. We were only given 40 minutes here to stay to take pictures. And I think parang babalik na kami na town proper. Madali lang yung tour, guys. Very quick lang siya. Ay.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
We're back at the hiking spot, guys. Actually, from the town of Almaty, going to the hiking spot sa Big Almaty Tour Lake is mga araw nasa mga 15 to 20 minutes lang. Then, from the hiking spot is paakyat may mga 5 to 10 minutes. Scenic yung views, guys, paakyat ng Almaty Lake. My gosh. No. But if you want to opt for hiking, it will take you mga around 4 hours daw, guys, for hiking. Ay. So if you are a adventure junkie person, go with the hike. So for us, na hindi pwedeng mag-hike, so good na at better na yung may ganong klase na transport na 4x4 ride going to the picture spot of the Big Almaty Lake. Yan. Babalik na tayo. So after here, I think parang magbe-breakfast na lang muna tayo sa town proper ng Almaty. After breakfast is let's head back first to the hotel. Kasi iwan ko muna yung ibang gamit. And then after that is mag-DIY city tour na tayo sa mga spots here in Almaty City. I thought tapos na yung tour. So meron pa pala tayong isang spot na bibisitahin. They call them Hotel de George. Wow. This is the first time that I'll be seeing a George. Wow. This is so wonderful. So it's like a George town, guys. This George is a 5 kilometer long. Ayun oh. Mahaba siya. And these things, itong mga tubig na nakikita natin these are coming from the glaciers sa mountains. So since spring na siya, so unti-unti natutunaw yung mga snow sa mountains. Itong George na pinuntahan namin, guys, is really not original plan or not hindi siya part sa aming itinerary. Supposedly it's only Big Almaty Lake. However, dinala tayo ng guide dito and this is only for free, sabi ng guide. So right now is nagugutom ako, guys. I need to drink some coffee para papabuhay ng ating kaluluwa. Uy, guys, there's a squirrel. Are you seeing that squirrel? Ayun na yun. Wow, may mga squirrel. We are back at the Almaty town proper. Madam.
Hi.
Wala pa kaming breakfast, guys.
But our energy is
Yes.
energetic.
Yung kinain na namin kanina is yung noodle na nabili namin sa hotel. Tapos uminom lang ng hot choco. So ngayon is pupuntahan natin yung isa sa mga sikat na restaurant here. I hope we can secure a seat. Yung Navat na restaurant. Yun din yung restaurant na famous kasi nagsiserve sila ng horse meat. Kakain daw si madam ng horse meat. Guys, we have reached Navat. Ayan. I love Navat. So baka andito si Sarah Navate.
Inside? Yeah.
Siya inside, yeah.
3%?
3.
Okay.
Okay, wow. This is so perfectly, wow. Hello, Navat. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda ng vibes here, guys. Very colorful and, oh my gosh. Guys, ang lakas makasosyal dito sa Navat. Because, what's that?
This cafe.
Cafe?
Yes, big cafe.
Ah, okay. Is this free?
Yes, free.
Yeah.
The compliment, yes.
May binigay sila na cafe. Oh. Papait. I don't like it. Guys, ganito yung presyohan nila. Yung isang ganyan is 1,950 tenge. So, yung 1,000 tenge is equivalent to 120 pesos or 115 pesos. So, may mga ganyan sa 240 lang ito. Mura lang. Ayan, oh. Mga prices nila. Tingin pa tayo. Wow. Oh, may daming pizza. Yung ganito, yung bruschetta salmon is 4,600 tenge. Yung rice porridge is 1,600 tenge. How was the food?
Well, the food is so great. It's so juicy. The beef's so well done. And of
Is that
course,
a
the
horse
red and
meat?
the bell pepper. So,
Horse meat ba yan?
Huh?
Horse meat?
No, this is a beef.
It's a beef.
Yeah.
Si beef yung kinakain ni
First,
madam.
I grade.
However, si Jassy is salad siya, vegetarian.
Yeah. But she's so confused.
Tapos
with the-
guys, meron silang complimentary na parang boot balls na ano. Para sa atin is parang boot sheet. Kulang na lang sugar. Tsaka meron din silang drink na complimentary na basta hindi namin maintindihan. Ito na yun guys. Ito yung horse meat. Then this one is lamb. Okay, rice meal. Hmm? We're done with the lunch. Yeah. So right right now is we'll be head first to balik pala tayo sa hotel to take some rest kasi kasama siya sa ating itinerary ang rest. Tapos balik tayo mamayang hapon para mag-city tour tayo. Yes. And all the way visiting the Ascension Cathedral and the Panfilo Park and whatsoever. Rate the food in Navat from 1 to 10. 10 is the highest.
10 is the highest. Well, it's
8.
8.
Why?
8, the beef, something so juicy, so amazing, it tastes so good.
Wow. Perfect. Jassy Jung?
For me, it's
9.5.
9.5.
Okay.
10.
Mm-mm.
I love the salad and what was that?
Plov.
Love.
Yes, guys. So when you are here in Almaty, so do not forget to try Navat. So at least mga once na on your entire visit. Si Head, balik muna kami ng hotel and fix for a while. Tapos lalakad ulit tayo mamaya for our DIY city tour. Ayan, we're back outside guys. So nakapag-rest tayo ng at least mga 2 oras yata. So ngayon we're back outside and we'll be going to Ascension Cathedral as one of the spots here in Almaty City. Then from the Ascension Cathedral, maybe we can go to Panfilo Park. Unfortunately, sarado yung Green Bazaar on Monday. So may pupuntahan tayong another bazaar for pasalubong buying. Ascension Cathedral na tayo. Binungat agad tayo ng guys, ng mga tulips around here. Wow. Gapa kayo ang tulips guys. Yung color pink and color yellow. If you are a plantita, you love here. Guys. Ascension, chill lang tayo ha. From here sa Ascension guys, malulocate mo na yung Green Bazaar. Pero however, close siya every Monday. So we still have another bazaar to visit na may mga pasalubong center, mga pasalubong shops din. Let's go there. Ang daming ang daming pigeon. Guys, ang daming pigeon, my God! Madam! La! Madam, that's animal cruelty. Ay! 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 Madam! Oh my God, kitapukan ka! Ay! Struggle pa, hindi ka fight. Ginoo ko. Kasi makamera, nasa ko Ayaw na. Sige na. Jassy is trying it. Bata, dahil ang bata ay. Tagay pa daw. Lakati, oh my God. Makati! Guys, diyan meron nagbebenta ng mga seeds para pakain sa mga kalapate. Tapos, you can take photos and videos here. It's so perfect. Meron ding mga nagpipicture sa'yo, tsaka nag-offer ng 1 photo per 100 tenge, 1,000 tenge. Then guys, we're done with Ascension Cathedral. Sa loob pa guys, may mass kanina. No? So, sort of, may mga prayers doon sa loob. The Ascension Cathedral tsaka the park closes at 6 p.m. Then from here is pupunta tayo sa Zeleny Bazaar. Since sarado yung Green Bazaar, doon tayo sa Zeleny. So walking distance na siya here from the Ascension Cathedral. No? Ito yung statue ng national hero. Then dyan na yung Ascension. Tapos sa harap ng cathedral, ng statwa na yan, doon lang tayo sa may straight ahead lang. Papunta Zeleny Bazaar. We are here at the Zeleny Bazaar. Konti lang yung mga tinda guys. Bentahan dito guys, puro mga textile. Guys, may nakita kami ditong store. Nag-iisang store na nagbibenta ng ref magnet. Ayan. Ha? Mga nasa ano madami. 80. Ayan. Dito lang kami nakakita ng mga ref magnet. So yung prices ng ref magnet nila nasa 500 tenge, nasa 1,000 tenge, depende sa mga designs. Guys, dito na kami namili ng mga ref magnet at keychains. Ayan. And as well as here, may mga benta din sila ng mga other souvenirs guys that you can choose from. May mga traditional dress din sila dito na binibenta. Ayan. Price range from 6,000 to 35,000 to 40,000. Yung mga t-shirt nila na ganito, yan, nasa 6,000 tenge. So, mga nasa 700 to 600 pesos. Pero guys, natatawaran si ate. So, always haggle. Pag nandito ka, haggle politely. So, yung nabayaran ko is 10,800. So, nahaggle ko siya into 10,500. Ang bayad pa ni ate. Yan. Guys, nandito pala yung Green Bazaar. Kaso lang, it's closed today. Pero sa harap ng Green Bazaar, guys, may mga nagtitinda pa rin ng mga iba't ibang mga souvenir shops, souvenir items rather. Mostly is the same lang yung prices nila sa itaas na napuntahan natin. I do not sure yet if mahahagal din natin dito banda. Let's try. Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Lotte Mall. Malapit lang ito sa Green Bazaar guys. Of course, hindi tayo pwedeng aalis ng Kazakhstan na hindi nakakabili ng mga foods from Kazakh. Oh my gosh. Parang dito yata tayo mabubudol ng malaki-laki. Meron din sila mga biscuits here. Yeah, wafer. Ayan. Oh, yeah, like this. Like that. Ito parang kilo-kilo ito. Hindi ko lang masabdan. Uy, abihan ni mo. Na-miss ko kasi ito. Ay, walang taste dito, no? Walang test. Dito, meron din mga different types of candies. Here. So, let's explore the Lotte for our pasalubong shopping. Guys, ito yung nabili ko. Oh my God. Daming product ng Lotte. So, that is a total of 20,000 tenge. Or in the Philippine peso is 2,200 to 2,300 pesos. We're back at the hotel, guys. That comprises our first full day here in Kazakhstan. Tomorrow will be another day, and we have a full pack event, tour tomorrow, where we will be visiting Charin Canyons, tsaka lakes bukas. So see you again in our second Kazakhstan vlog. Bye! Magre-rest na kami.